Welcome back to a new video. Today, I'll show you how to create a healthcare 3D video using AI in a super simple and easy way. See this. A lot of channels are creating this type of video and getting millions of views, and they're earning from it too. Let's get started. First of all, we need a video idea. In this case, we want to show how a cold drink affects the human body using a 3D model. To create this idea into a prompt, we'll use ChatGPT. Just type something like, I want to show a boy drinking a cold drink and how it affects the inside of the body. Show 3D visuals with animation. The body should react with realistic effects, including the throat, stomach, and brain. Add lighting, particles, and cinematic detail. You can also upload a reference image if needed to make the prompt more specific. Once your prompt is ready, now comes the fun part. We copy the prompt and paste it into Veo 3, Google's powerful video generation AI. In just 1 to 2 minutes, Veo 3 will generate the full video for you, with cinematic effects, detailed lighting, and realistic 3D animations. It can even include built-in voiceovers if you ask for it in the prompt. Now the video is ready. And honestly, it looks perfect. Now you can repeat the same process to generate different scenes. Scene by scene, you build your video like puzzle pieces. Then, simply combine all the video clips using any editing software like CapCut, VN Editor, or Premiere Pro, and your full healthcare video is done. Finally, you can choose where to post it: YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. The process is exactly the same for all platforms. So that's it. From idea to AI prompt to 3D healthcare video in just a few minutes. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more smart AI tutorials, only on It's Coder.